Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a Kmart haul for you guys. I'm so excited to be filming this because I love Kmart so much. If you guys do enjoy Kmart hauls, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up for me. That way I will know if you want me to film more or do more Kmart related videos. So pretty much what I got in Kmart today is majority makeup and beauty products. I think pretty much it's all makeup apart from 1 to 2 things. So let's get right into it. So this is the bag here. It is very, very full. Considering I only spent around $90, I think I got a decent amount of products. So the reason I did want to go into Kmart today is because I wanted to pick up a lot of the makeup products. I want to do a full face of Kmart makeup. It's been pretty highly requested, but I love filming them as well because they're so much fun to film. I'm just going to start pulling out the products out of the bag. I'm not going to do it in any particular order. The first thing I've got here is the Oxx Setting Spray. I believe this one is the pore minimizing one. They did have a matte finish, a natural finish, and then they had this one. And I was like, pore minimizing, like that's a bit weird. So I felt like I wanted to pick this one up. I'm just wondering how it actually minimizes your pores if it's a spray, but I guess we'll try that out in the video. So the next thing I've got here is by the same brand, and this is their eyeliner kit. This is in the color black. It comes with the gel liner and it also comes with the applicator brush. I think the packaging's pretty cute, like considering these products are so affordable, they come in really cute packaging. The next thing I've got here, I was really excited to see it. It's an eyeshadow palette and it's a very large one. I think I might take it out of the packaging so you guys can see it better. Okay, so this is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. It's so cute. I love the colors in it. They did have some other ones there, but I just felt like I liked the colors in this one. As soon as I saw this eyeshadow palette, it definitely reminded me of the MAC ones, just how it's laid out, and it's very, very sleek. I'm pretty sure this was also $10, which isn't too bad, but I guess we'll test out the quality really soon. Okay, so I ended up grabbing some BYS eyeshadow palettes as well. So this one is the Rebel eyeshadow palette. So that's what the palette looks like. I think the colors are really interesting. I really love that there's some greens in here and this red. I really can't wait to try it out. I think I'll try it out in a video. If you want to see that, just let me know down below. Okay, so the next eyeshadow palette I've got is from BYS as well, and this is the Nude 4 palette. I'm trying to show you guys, but my light keeps reflecting on it. If you guys want to see a video on this palette, let me know down below. Okay, so the next thing I've got is by Oxx Studio, and this is their mascara, and it comes in a really interesting packaging. It reminds me of the Eyeshadow mascaras. It's kind of in that squeezy tube. Honestly, I'm so excited to try all of these out in a video. Like, I can't wait, but I have to film it next weekend. I wish I could film it just now, but it's like almost dinner time and I want to go eat. Okay, so the next product I got is more for me, not for a video. This is the Oxx Conditioning Treatment. Apparently it contains peppermint oil. It's like a lip balm. My lips have been so damn dry. I think I complain about it in every single video, so I got this. Hopefully it will help my lips. So the reason I did pick this up is because one of the girls at work actually had it in her bag and she said it's really good and it feels really good on her lips. That's what kind of inclined me to buy it. But then again, it was only $2, so it was really, really affordable. So another product by Oxx, this is their press powder. They did have 2 different ones. They had like the normal one and then the studio range. I was originally going to pick up the studio range, but the coloring just didn't seem that great. It looked very, very pink, and this one looked a little bit more yellow, so I feel like it would match my fake tan a little better, and it was only $2 as well. I should probably stop mentioning the brand because I'm pretty sure most of this stuff is by Oxx, but I've got their concealer as well. This one's in the color 2 Ivory. It doesn't look very light for ivory, but it was the lightest one there, so that's why I picked it up. So I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see inside the packaging, but it reminds me of the Kat Von D one just on how it looks. It's funny because I'm reading the directions on the back and it says gently squeeze a small amount of concealer onto a brush, but I feel like this is a brush applicator, not a squeezy tube. I feel like we need to find out. It's actually a lot bigger than what I thought it was. Yeah, and it's a wand concealer, so it's not a squeezy tube, so that packaging, I don't know, needs to be rewritten, I think. So I also did get a primer. This one is the Brightening Studio Primer. It looks so cool. That's the reason I picked it up. I really can't wait to try this primer out. I think it's just really interesting. And by the way, I also already have a Kmart foundation, so that's why I didn't buy one today. And if you want to see my review on that foundation, I'm going to have that linked up in the eye. So the next thing I got is the Face Powder Highlighter, and this is by the same brand. This one's in the color Ice Queen. To be honest, I couldn't find many many face highlighters. There was only a few there, so that's why I grabbed this one. All the other ones were a little too dark for my skin tone, so I had to go with the Ice Queen. Okay, so the next one I was pretty excited for. This one is the OXX Studio Baked Blush, and this one's in the color 2 Apricot. I have already opened it because it looks so beautiful. I had to touch it. So that's what the packaging looks like, and that's what it looks like on the inside. It's like a baked blush. It reminded me of MAC's Warm Soul, just in terms of the color. So I'm hoping the quality is really nice because when I touched it, it looked amazing. I also did get a lipstick as well. This one's in the color Henry Ford, and it's a satin lipstick. I couldn't find many colors that I really liked. A lot of them were just really bright, red, pink, all that kind of stuff. This was kind of the only nudish one I could find, so I went with that. I also couldn't find any nude lip liners, so I just thought I would stick with the lipstick. The next thing I've got is a brow kit. This one's in the color 2 Medium. It looks like it comes with a brow powder, brow cream, tweezers, and also an applicator, which is pretty cool. The packaging is actually pretty nice on these. So that's what it looks like on the inside. It's actually so cute. I'm just wondering if it's going to be dark enough. Hopefully it's nice and pigmented. So the last makeup product I got is the contour palette, and this one's in the color Light. I mainly got this obviously for the contour, but also the banana powder because I love banana powder. It looks a little bit too yellow, but I guess we'll just try it out. I do have two more things which you probably don't care about. I got some socks, which is so exciting, and I got another packet of makeup wipes. Again, really exciting. I like these makeup wipes. They're really affordable. I also do mix them with my micellar water just so it makes it a bit easier to get off. Using these on their own aren't that great, so I like to mix them with micellar water. Okay guys, so that is it for my Kmart haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more Kmart related videos, let me know down below or give the video a thumbs up. I'll have my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Snapchat linked down below, and I'll also have it at the end screen, so if you want to follow me on any of those you can, and I'll see you guys really soon in my next one. Bye.